Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram photos. Let's launch the Instagram app. Let's find the photo that we like. Scroll down. Let's say we want to download this image over here. You want to click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then you want to click link. Okay, now we just copied the link on the clipboard. What I want you to do right now, I want you to go on Google Chrome and Google for this app over here. It's called inflact.com. When you go on inflact.com, you will have the option to paste the link that we just copied, right? And then you want to click download photo. As you can see guys, after a while we did see the photo was actually here, and then you want to click download. I want you to be very careful. Now, as you can see, we have actually the whole profile and other pictures of the account, which is crazy. Right, this new app offers you much more, because if we simply go back to the account, right, you can go to her profile or the person's profile and you can see that, yeah, some of the images are over here. And the reason for it is because if we go over here, this was a carousel post, right? So if you scroll on the side, this was simply all the posts that this lady was published. So essentially, I just showed you how not only could download only one picture, but you can download a whole carousel post with all the pictures and videos at the same time. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.